put it all behind me, shouldn't I? But I see her in the back of my mind all the time, like a fever, like I'm burning.